Hi, everyone. I'm going to be talking about a subject that is kind of dismal. I usually like to speak about much more upbeat topics, but I think this is something that really needs to be known. And there has been some research on this. In fact, about 3 years ago, I heard a neurologist speak about the effects of eating chicken and the connection with urinary tract infection. Because I work with many people and women, especially during pregnancy, who can get a urinary tract infection, I want to make it really clear that not only is it extremely a cruel practice, what is done to chickens on factory farms and how they are killed, but chickens, when you get the chicken and you bring the dead chicken home, that it often contains E. coli and salmonella. And this neurologist who I heard 3 years ago said that 97% of chickens and eggs contain salmonella and E. coli bacteria. It doesn't matter if you uh, if you're cleaning the cutting board with Clorox after somebody put chicken on it. And even if you don't eat chicken and you put your food on that same cutting board, you can be contaminated with E. coli or salmonella or both. And it can lead to a urinary tract infection, which can then lead to problems with your kidneys. And so, in order to avoid that, I recommend not eating chicken at all. And if you live with somebody who eats chicken, you may want to notify that person that the eating of chicken could contaminate your entire place of living. And so that's really the best tip that I can give, because I have seen people already where chicken did affect them as far as contributing to getting a urinary tract infection. So thank you for your time. And if you did learn anything, or if you are going to be taking more caution now in terms of chicken in your surroundings, in your home, if you can please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I speak the truth here, and I give you information that is beneficial to your health. Thank you for joining me, and I really appreciate your subscription. And if you do have any questions, you can comment below. Thank you so much.